Eyewitness Weather forecast.
And welcome back. Hope you've been able to stay cool on a hot Wednesday in central New York. Yeah, indeed. The humidity has come up. I don't know about you. I'm doing a lot of this the last few weeks, especially now that we've got the grass pollen joining the tree pollen. Good news, though. A 9.0 on the allergy Richter scale today. We drop down to a 1.8 tomorrow. Bounce back up to the 6s, but at least it's the 6s and not the 9+. And again, besides grass, tree pollen specifics, hickory and oak. The view from Oriskany and Route 12. Ooh, that's looking like maybe a July shot, huh? Probably feels like it today with a lot of us getting into the mid-80s for highs in the Mohawk Valley. Current temperatures right now, speaking of the mid-80s, Whitesboro is at 86 still. Sylvan Beach at 84. Cazenovia cooler at 75. It's Deansboro at 80. Washington Mills at 84. 80 at Schuyler to 81 at Gray. You make your way over toward Dulwich, Little Falls, St. Johnsville. All of you about 85, 86. And then Paynes Hollow checking in at 79. To the north we go. We got some cooler temperatures based on some of the showers that have evolved here, but nonetheless, Lowville, it's at 86. Inlet at 81. Sherburne at 82. Norwich at 79. Mid-70s from Oneonta to the upper 70s at Cooperstown. Here is the Eyewitness News Doppler radar. And again, action will continue to percolate here as we're in the late afternoon now into the early evening across our southern counties. Just a couple of showers right along the Madison-Chenango border. The main action is north of town here as you make your way across northeastern portions of Oneida County, north of Rome, western to Boonville, up toward Linesdale as you make your way into Jefferson County. Trenton, some light air action your way. Everything north of Ohio and central portions of Herkimer County tracking to the north, and this will continue to track toward Lowville with some, we'll just say, lighter rain shower activity. The heavier stuff will be to your east and as well now toward 28 Inlet in Old Forge, and will continue to track up toward Wanakina and Oswegatchie as you make your way toward the county line of Herkimer and St. Lawrence counties. Now, let's go ahead and broaden the view out even further. We talked about the approaching moisture coming up from Pennsylvania yesterday. Guess what? There is more moisture lurking in Pennsylvania right now. This will continue to track northeastward as we head through the next several hours for tonight. Then we look back into the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. That's coming at us for tomorrow. Cold front here, okay? Upper level energy here. What the upper level energy is going to do is give a kick to the boundary and help to accentuate things midday, early tomorrow afternoon. Prime time heating for us in central New York State. Some of the action could be on the stronger side, maybe a severe cell. We'll see here momentarily. Scattered showers, you can see the model's not handling what's going on right now versus what's going to happen at the top of the hour. So more widespread regarding scattered showers, maybe a couple of thunderstorms this evening. Heading through the overnight period, maintaining that scattered shower threat. Then for tomorrow, looky here. Showers, couple of thunderstorms. That's the noon hour. Here's 2 o'clock coming into the western portion of our viewing area from the I-81 corridor. And again, the main focus initially up toward the Tug Hill and the northwestern Adirondacks before we start to get things percolating across the southern tier into the western Catskills and tracking to the east as we head into tomorrow evening. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has issued a level 1 marginal risk for severe weather for all of central New York State as we head through Thursday, so keep that in mind. Main concern right now, 1, heavy downpours, 2, some stronger winds that may approach severe limits. Forecast overnight lows tonight. If you don't have AC or a fan, it's going to probably be the first steamy night of the season. And then highs tomorrow in Utica will approach 80. Here's your forecast for tonight. Scattered showers, a couple of thunderstorms. Otherwise, it's mostly cloudy, humid, and down to 67. Tomorrow, like I said, up to 80, partly sunny, humid. Showers, scattered storms. Some may approach severe limits early to mid-afternoon. Extended forecast as promised, trending cooler, also staying unsettled. Showers may be a storm Friday, scattered showers Saturday, Sunday into Monday, and things slowly improve early next week. Back to the news desk with Gretchen.
Thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 6.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Hi again, everyone. The check that air quality report. Always have it at 10, but hey, we're rocking and rolling through a Wednesday with air quality that's not certainly the best. It's up to 61 today, but hey, a nice turn here versus what we were talking about 24 hours ago. For Thursday and Friday, as the levels will be dropping and the weekend not looking like a 50-50 now. It's looking good. That's what happens when you get into an unsettled weather pattern and you start to have the rain clean out the air. The benefits to trending unsettled, right? I know, bad timing for the weekend. From the Utica Public Library, looking to the west, a lot of clouds across the region. And as of last check here in Utica, we're at 77 at Whitesboro. Over by Turning Stone, it is 75 at Verona, 70 at Cazenovia. Look out to the east, and you can see the temperatures are in the lower 70s as you make way from Newport to Schuyler to Little Falls. We go ahead and broaden the view out. Notice that we're in the mid-60s, big boost up toward Inlet. Down to the south we go, and we are in the lower 70s as you make your way from Cooperstown back over toward Norwich. Now, radar-wise, nothing's going on across our southern counties right now. We make our way up closer to Utica and Oneida County. Nothing here locally, but you notice to the top right of your TV screen, indeed, some heavier bursts of rain. Piseco, Hope and Wells extending northbound as you make your way, at least through central portions of Herkimer County. And we got this burst of rain as well as you make your way through northern portions of Herkimer County. Inlet Way, this is all tracking away toward Essex County, Warren County. And then as we look back toward the west, find some additional showers here. But it's the action back toward Toronto and Buffalo I'm a little bit concerned about. Regarding some heavier rainfall coming through the region tonight, as the short-term model guidance, none of it is picking up on it. We have been talking about this moisture across Pennsylvania. That is continuing to track our way. So showers, scattered thunderstorms, the opportunity for some heavier bursts of rain as we head through tonight. That's the change in the forecast since 6 o'clock. Hey, weather, it's an evolving entity, right? And then these elements come together, and actually the second and the third here, kind of giving the old boop into the cold front tomorrow and having somewhat of an energized atmosphere. If we get some sunshine, let's see how this plays out. High-resolution futurecast shows the action for tonight. Now watch as we head through tomorrow. Stopping it at 1 o'clock with the update, with action now coming into Oneida County. This is by 3 o'clock, leaving Oneida County into Herkimer County in the Mohawk Valley and then kicking out toward the Adirondack Northway and the Catskills. And then as we head through time, some additional showers for tomorrow night. Forecast high temperatures for tomorrow, low and mid 70s north of Utica. A lot of us in the Mohawk Valley, 79, 80 for a high, and a touch warmer versus up north across our southern counties. Basically 75 to near 80. So in the forecast for tonight, showers, scattered thunderstorms. Watch out for some heavier bursts of rain if you do have to do any travel on the overnight. Otherwise, mostly cloudy, humid, down to 67. Partly sunny, humid tomorrow. Showers, scattered thunderstorms. Some of them could be on the strong side, maybe severe, a high of 80. Showers, maybe a storm on Friday, a high near 70. Scattered showers unsettled over the weekend, and things will slowly improve early next week. Back to the news desk with Gretchen.
Thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News first at 10. I'll bring you the latest in baseball and hockey. Stay with us.
Now, your Eyewitness Weather forecast.
Hi, everyone. A good Wednesday to you again. Hope you didn't mind the fact it was hot, humid, and starting to feel like the throes of summer, right? Well, at least we get a break, a reprieve with the allergy forecast. A 9 today, down to a 1-8 tomorrow before we get back into the 6s on Friday and Saturday. Grass pylon and, yes, hickory and oak continue to be the issues from the trees. In the meantime, Ariskany and Route 12. Yeah, ignore the infamous dispersion of light at night into the lens, but it's dry right now. The question is, the showers come in. How heavy does the rain get tonight? 75 again, the updated temperature from downtown. 75 as you make your way as well over toward Turning Stone. 73 Oneida, now below 70 as you make your way toward Cazenovia. Out to the east, Schuyler now at 74. 73 Newport and lower 70s, Stratford all the way down as you make your way toward Paynes Hollow. To the north we go, temperature-wise, we're in the 60s at Inlet. Level and Otter Lake have started to call it a night, not report. It's near 70 at Norwich. Same thing with Sherburne and Sydney. Come on, we need your temps. Wait until 11:30 to go to bed and shut off the temp gauge. 70 at Cooperstown. All right, here we go. The action across Hamilton County, back toward the Hamilton-Herkimer County line, just east of Inlet. This continues to head toward Warren County and on into Essex County. We've got some light showers as you make your way west of Syracuse. Beyond that, though, we've got to keep an eye on some of that action. We're dry across our southern counties through the historic town of Greene, which I drove through. On the way back from Cortland the other day, yeah, it's going to be a few rogue raindrops. Around Utica, nothing. It's Pasico, Hope Wells, extending northeastward as you make your way toward Johnsburg and North Creek, and then the blip right there on the Herkimer-Hamilton County line. Again, those showers coming in from the west. We brought the view out further. Short-term model guidance not handling that at all. We are tracking this as well. So scattered, check that, showers, scattered thunderstorms as we head through the overnight period. Perhaps some heavier bursts of rain as well. And then these elements all come into play for what we need to track heading through Thursday. The high-resolution futurecast shows what I mean. Scattered showers, a couple of thunderstorms on the overnight period, heavier bursts of rain. Then watch as we head toward the early afternoon with this stuff coming in from the 81 corridor, moving through Oneida County early afternoon, Mohawk Valley mid to late afternoon, gusty winds, heavier bursts of rain for sure. Got to keep an eye on how intense the rainfall does get as well before everything kicks out toward Albany way as we head into tomorrow evening. A level 1 marginal risk for severe weather across central New York as we head through the day tomorrow. As forecast overnight lows tonight will drop down between 64 and 69. And a lot of us in the Mohawk Valley tomorrow near 79 and 80. Showers, scattered thunderstorms tonight, otherwise mostly cloudy, humid, down to 67. Up to 80 tomorrow as we keep an eye on the radar as we make our way through the afternoon. Showers, maybe a storm on Friday. Unsettled, cool, heading through the weekend. And then, yes, slowly improving and warming back up early next week. Gretchen?
Thanks, Tim. Still to come tonight on Eyewitness News at 11, a look at the newest member of the Sheriff's Department.